Welcome to episode 3. It's David here for Smart Money. So, what I did was I decided to do a challenge. And what was the challenge? The challenge was to do 122 videos until the end of the year, right? To help people, to educate people in blockchain and in cryptocurrency, and to educate and to learn because there are wonderful things in cryptocurrency and you can take advantage, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen, and then I'm going to start with episode 3, Smart Money Challenge number 3. So let's get going. I'm going to share my screen quickly. One sec, and I'm going to a website called Coin Market Cap. Okay, now most probably you would have seen, if you have seen episode 1 or 2, you can always go back and see it because they are numbered. But I always like to come back to this website because it gives you an overview how powerful the market is. Okay, and it's easy for you to do your own research. So go to Coin Market Cap, you go to the top coins, and these are like the top 8,000 coins. Okay, and it all works with supply and demand, right? Why is Bitcoin so number one? Because more people are buying Bitcoin right now. I mean, even the USA now's reserve currency is Bitcoin. So more people buying it, the price will go up because it's supply and demand. So the more people, the less coins, um, and therefore the price can go up. And also, if you click on Bitcoin, it's actually got a finite supply. There's only 21 million coins, right? So that's quite a clue. So what's the population of the world? What happens when everybody holds a Bitcoin, right? Imagine what the price will be then. It is eye-opening to have a look at this graph. You can change it from 1 day to 1 year. And I mean, if you just look at 1 year, it's almost doubled in value, Bitcoin. All right. Okay. If you look at all time from the beginning when it started, let's go 10 years ago. So we go back to 2015. The price was $400 for one Bitcoin, right? What is it now? It's $110, 110,000. Sorry. So there's something very cool about this website. You can just go and look at all the cryptos, top 10. Why don't you start a small portfolio? There's something called dollar average purchasing. Let me just get the right terminology. It's called dollar cost averaging, which is like a sixth wonder or the seventh wonder of the world. Because if you actually go into Chat GPT and I ask, yeah, what is dollar cost averaging? It's basically what it is. It's buying crypto consistently over a period of time. So dollar cost averaging is a vesting strategy where you regularly invest in a fixed amount of money into an asset like stocks, crypto, ETFs, for example, weekly, monthly, regardless of the asset price. Okay. So there, even if the price goes high or goes low, there's volatility in the market because you're buying over a long period of time, you win, right? 5 years, for example. So imagine if you cost a dollar cost averaged into Bitcoin every week, every month for the last 5 years. Is that a good thing? Possibly could be an awesome thing, right? What happens if you look at Ethereum? What is the growth of Ethereum in the last couple of months or years? Yeah, you can look at the graph again, right? So I mean, you can go down when it had a dip in on. This is not even long ago. This is April, right? The price was 1,558. Now look at the price. It's 4,396. This is why dollar cost averaging is so powerful, right? But over a long period of time, like 5 years, 3 to 5 years. Okay. So have a look at these coins, right? And then you can go and have a look at Tether is a stable coin, just so you understand what a stable coin means. It just stays at $1. So it's quite good if you're sending crypto to somebody, if you just want it to stay at $1. So if you send $1,000, they get $1,000, right? It's called a stable coin. XRP, we can go and have a look at as well. Um, so what we could do is we can actually see the trend here from, I mean, when it started nothing, 0.006 cents, right? And now it's sitting at $2.81. I mean, just a couple of months ago, this was okay, 2024 in October, it was sitting at 50 cents, 53 cents. So have a look at these coins, right? And then you can go and have a look at BNB, for example, start a little portfolio. I mean, I live in the UK. You can get an account to buy crypto. Revolut is a regulated bank. You can buy crypto through them. You got Nexo. There's another company you can buy. You've got Binance. You've got Coinbase. Ask ChatGPT, where you can open up an account to buy crypto. So BNP, another awesome example. Let's see what happened here. This price was 211 and now it's 849. You know, grab some crypto in your portfolio, right? So this is a great website to go and have a look at the chart, go look at the graph, and it's super, super easy, right? So I want to share a project that I believe is hot at the moment. It's called Apertum. It is spelled Apertum. And I believe that this project's got a lot of scope. Okay, look at the price, $1.56. Imagine you bought Bitcoin 10 years ago, right? And now you look at the price. I believe this project has got a similar potential. So I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of this project and investigate, do some of your own research. And yeah, I'm quite excited about this project. It's also got a fixed supply. Okay, not like money where you just print it, right? It's a fixed supply and demand. So what happens when this project gets more popular? More people are going to buy the coin, right? Which is going to make the coin more scarce because the supply is going to be lower, and then that's going to help drive the price up. So very, very bullish on the Apertum coin. You can also scroll down and you can see we are listed on 4 exchanges. You can also go read up a bit about the Apertum project here. Apertum supports ultra-fast transactions, launched Apertum Foundation on the 30th of July. So we're like 9 months old. So the network has demonstrated explosive community growth. Its native token, APTM, officially launched February 19th on Apertum DEX. So also, a good thing you can see at the top left is we're already ranked 398 out of thousands of cryptocurrencies. And we got a profile score here of 92. Okay. So, yeah, have a look. I will go through a few more details where you can find out more information. So, in the description of the video, I've got a couple of links that you can click on. I'll give you an example for a video I did yesterday. So this one I did yesterday, which is Smart Money episode 2. Today's episode 3. And there is a little link here that I will have in the description that I'd like you to click on. It's called Bonus Resources, and you can click on it. And it takes you to all the information, how you can take advantage of the APM token that I'm talking about. There's a little video you can watch that gives you some awesome information about the project and about finance and where crypto is moving towards. So in the next few minutes, you'll witness a powerful shift, rewriting the rules of wealth, not just for you, but for your family and generations to come. So just press play. I don't know if the
The world is shifting beneath our feet. A new financial foundation is being laid. Money and wealth is moving into the digital age through blockchain, Web3, and a wave of innovation that's quietly reshaping everything we know.
That's just a teaser for you. And then the awesome thing as well, you can click on this link and you can actually be invited to a Zoom, right? So just check the time zones, but you can also be and learn more about this project. So it's really, really, really super cool. And also, you can actually join the project on this link here. So you can actually click on it and it gives you a bit more information about the project. It gives you where we are mentioned, and you can just click here, become a member. Super, super easy. Got some publications we're in. There is a little video here. I'm just going to copy and paste this into a different browser because I'm actually got it open on another browser, and this is easier to do. Just want to show you how easy it is to get started. So all you would do is you would just come down, you can become member. Okay. For those that are not very technical on computers, you can do a password and email. But those who are quite good on computers can do self-custodial, because then you actually hold the funds in your own wallet. Okay. So I would recommend this one, the self-custodial. And the thing is, you need to install, yes, a MetaMask onto your laptop or your phone. But look, you've got down one, download MetaMask, register, do your KYC documents, upload your driver's license or passport. So it gives you the step-by-step instructions how to actually create an account. And if you struggle, just reach out to me and I can help you. Okay, so that's really, really cool. Also, what's quite cool is I've also got a guide here which can show you how to buy crypto. Okay, especially if you're based in the UK, it's a step-by-step guide that I created where you can yeah, learn how to buy your own crypto. Ready to get started with your first crypto portfolio step by step. And yeah, it helps you actually create an account and buy your first crypto, like Bitcoin, for example, right? So that's quite cool. And then also I've got an ebook that you can look at, your first step to unlock 2K. You can have a look at that as well. And I actually am doing an event in the UK for beginners guide to cryptocurrency out here in the UK. So I just wanted to share that with you. So let's go back and let's have a look at something cool that I want to show you. So we've got something called a liquidity pool, right? So like a bank, right? You put money in a bank and you get interest. Now through the Pertum coin that's traded on the market, you can actually earn fees if you put liquidity in this pool, right? And what is the actual price of the interest rate, right? That's what I wanted to say, interest rate. Now, if we look at the Pertum coin, right? So you can go to dex.pertum.io and then you can just click on tokens. You can do this yourself and have a look. You can click on wrapped and then you can come down here. At the moment, if you put money into the Pertum liquidity pool, right, it's generating fees and you get a share of those fees, 25% per annum, right? That's juicy, right? I mean, 4 years and you're doubling your money, right? Um, so this is something that you should consider doing. So as I mentioned in the links here, you can watch the video and then you can join the project, and then you get access to putting money into the liquidity pool. Okay. And it's super easy because as soon as you've got an account, you basically got apps here and you can go into the DEX, and this is where you can add liquidity into the liquidity pool. And I can just do a quick example how actually easy it is. So I'm just going to connect my MetaMask and I'll actually show you how actually easy it is to actually put some money into the liquidity pool and generate those fees, right? And at the moment, it's sitting at 25% per annum, and it varies between, I've seen 10% all the way up to 60%, sometimes even 70%, but it does vary, okay? Because more transactions is the more fees you get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put some money into the liquidity pool right now. So I'm going to go pools, and then I'm going to go manage, and then I'm going to go add. And this is how easy it is. I'm going to add, say, two Apertum coins. And then I've got, it does do a pair. It does USDT and Apertum as a pair. But don't get too worried about the technicalities. It's super easy and I can guide you as well. So all I do then is press supply. And then I'm going to confirm supply. I just have to switch my video off for this section. And I'm going to click confirm. And then I've just got a little security device here that I'm just going to scan that quickly. And this is how easy it is to add liquidity to the pool, right? And get those fees. So give me 1 sec. And that's it. You'll get a message pop up on the top right. There we go. I've just added to the liquidity pool. And now I am sharing. I'll go back to tokens. I'm sharing in this. Look, now it's jumped. It's 27%. Hey, cool, right? So as I said, it actually varies. So if I go into pools, yeah, you'll actually see liquidity providers earn 0.3% fee on all trades proportional to their share of the pool. How cool is that, right? So that's one thing I wanted to show you. I can actually pop my video back on now. Now, there's something else I want to show you. So you've got liquidity pools. You've also got the potential of this price, because it's a new project, right? Going up because it's only sitting at $1.57. Okay. And supply and demand fix, and there's a max supply. So a lot of exciting things happening. And now what you can do is you can actually, we've also got another product. Okay. And I'll go through it now quickly with you. It's called an AI trading bot. Okay. So now how cool is it? If you got an AI trading bot, you don't have to go look at this chart. You don't have to be a trading expert. Let the AI do its thing. What it does is it buys low. So when it actually hit down here today, it was buying these coins low. And then what it does is when it rises, it sells high, and then it buys low. And it's just accumulating these coins for you on automatic. Okay. How cool is that? So if you want to take advantage of one of these trade bots, okay, most traders lose money. Okay, only like the top 1% make money. It says yeah, but 90% or 95% of traders fail. Who wants to be stuck by their computer all day? So my suggestion is liquidity pool. Put some money into this liquidity pool, very juicy. You can get the fees, and then get one of these trading bots. And then what's this doing in the long term? You're accumulating this coin, right? And what happens when this coin goes up? You benefit big time. Okay, so I wanted to show you and share that with you. Just a recap, in the description of the video, you will get the link here for bonus resources. That's where you can get the 7-minute video. That's where you can actually learn how to actually join the project. Here, you can just join, follow the steps, and then you can put money into the liquidity pool and you can get one of these trading bots. I think that's good for today. And thank you so much. Let me stop sharing my screen. And that was video 3 for Smart Money and episode 3. And we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.